Hi, welcome to Harisystems. In this session today we will learn components and probes on ReactJS. We'll see what is components and what is probes first, then we'll write a simple programs on it for better understanding. Components let you split the UI into independent. That simple places we are using that we can call it as components, like reusable pieces, and think about each piece is in isolation. We will tell you more about on components in further sessions. We'll see conceptually components are like JavaScript functions here. They accept arbitrary inputs called probes and return React elements describing what should appear on the screen of UI. Here, function and class components I will elaborate in this session particularly. Like JavaScript function, how we will write. The components is also similar to write such a function. I'll show you simple function and how to correct it and to write a class for it in a simple way on ReactJS. See here, function, I'm writing a welcome with the something, will pass the value with the function. I'll call it as probes. Open brace and end brace. In between there is a function produces return values like h1 I'm taking and closing h1 tag. In between it's a line of the terminator. In between hello Harisystems I want to write, whereas here I'm writing in a probes dot name, probes dot name. That's it. Something we will return. In addition, I have written probes dot name. It's will give you more detailed explanation in further sessions. Need not to worry about it if you don't know about probes dot name. What is it within the braces? Okay. See, this function is valid React component in React because it accepts a single probes only it will accept, which stands for properties. Object argument with data and returns a React element. We call such components are function components because they are literally like JavaScript functions. Okay, in the same function I am extending with the React component. The changing of the, instead of changing of the function, I am writing as in a class. See here, keenly observe it. Class welcome extends. Class welcome is the same. I am changed the function over here, and the welcome is the same name of the same name, and extends instead of probes I am written here extends React component. Then here it will start the braces. There is a default function of the render will plays the major key role on classes. This is the default function and you have to write it for all React components. That will take care, the render will take care automatically. It will renders what it's require the returns to that UI, and it will represents. So the same line over here, what I have written in this function, return h1, I'll write you and show you the better way you will write such a codes. Hello, within the braces, this and this, it will change its props dot name, this dot props dot name h1, and it shows that hello, this props, yeah, props props dot name and h1 terminator. That's it. If I removed this error will, okay, it's not a problem. The basic syntaxing only you will observe that class welcome extends react.component, render one line is added. No much more confusion for the JavaScript users and all. If you know the function to write, how to write in. Similarly, class we can prepare in ReactJS like components for the many features and advanced options are available. We'll see one by one in the upcoming sessions. Need not to worry about it. This is simple. This much of simple. I'm replacing this one. I'm added this one and in extended to React component. And in addition to props dot this dot props dot name. That's it. That much of simple. The above what I have described here, two components are equivalent from ReactJS point of view. Classes have some additional features. Hence, I'm taking you from the functions to classes. We will discuss in upcoming sessions and more about functions and classes, how we can take an extension of that and all the things. I hope you better understand in this session to extend in a class. Please subscribe, like, share and comment any of your reviews regarding this. Thank you.